Technical colleges are not like high school. High school, you have to do all this homework, do this, do that, only do it the way they want. But when you're at the tech college, like in this program, you actually get to do what you want.
The program and even your whole career in machining allows you to be creative and to take your ideas and make them a reality.
This is a vise I made for shop class. Then I had to use a ton of machines to make this. A mill, a grinder, horizontal mill.
We do have a lot of fun. The instructors are fantastic. We make cool stuff at Madison College, and then I get to come here and I get to make cool stuff all night long.
You get to learn programming, you get to learn manual machining, blueprint reading. You can become a machinist, tool and die maker. You can work in quality assurance. You can even make your way up to management. There's just so many different career paths.
It's like you're working on a job, so you're working with all the machines and you got the teachers coming in and helping you and instructing you.
My first impression was I'm gonna learn a lot of stuff here and I'm really excited for it.
Some of the machines we have in here are equivalent to driving a Ferrari or a Bugatti. That's kind of what I love about my job because I get to play with these Ferraris every day.
Madison College graduates come with a good skill set, a good toolkit to do the work that we need to do. Precision assembly, precision machining. Depending on experience, there's a lot of opportunity to earn a good income, anywhere from $20 to $40 per hour.
My advice for people that are thinking about going into machine tooling, technics, the machining field in general, absolutely 100% do it. There's a huge demand for it right now. The pay is great.
It feels really good to say that I'm about to graduate from Madison College.
I was always interested in how things work. I remember taking apart pens all the time in class when I was bored and just, asking my teachers, well, how's that work? How's this work?
I love that they come and ask questions. And I think that's the perfect way to be. So do we have fun with this? Yeah, we have fun. But even the other parts, it's learning, knowing, and researching and showing the students where this competency fits and what the possibilities are as they move through our program and as they work out into the work world. It's a great accomplishment. So it's fun.
You're just kind of making art with machines, right?
Through the machine tool program, what you learn, you can take that anywhere and you can take different career paths with it.
When I see Madison College on an application, I know that they've had the training to do the work that we need, precision that we need to hold, and are able to work with people well.
We currently employ, in our machine tool area, probably about 30 graduates. However, through the company, we have probably pushing 100 Madison College people.
The sky is the limit.